Hi, I'd like to explain how we work with clients. First of all projects are handled the same way, regardless of whether it's a failure analysis of a failed component or selection of a material for a new component for a new product, or for cost reduction, or for reliability improvement. The first step is to meet with the engineering team to discuss the issue and collect background information about the decision to make or the problem to fix. This includes looking at photographs and drawings of the component in the product, reviewing material specifications and component specifications, and just discussing the issue in general. Then during the time, we'll be able to determine whether we can help out, and then we can also determine the scope, that is the question that needs to be answered or the decision that needs to be made. And then we'll also discuss the work that will be performed and the approximate cost to do the work. The next step is that we'll provide a written project proposal that will include the scope and details about the work that will be performed. This often includes metallurgical analyses of components and materials, and can also include review of technical literature and discussions with suppliers. And it will also include the cost to do the work. If the proposal is accepted, the next step is to do the work. This will include the analyses, literature review, talking with suppliers, and other work if necessary. And it'll include reviewing the data that comes in from the analyses. And it will also include discussions with the client's engineering team. Their input is very helpful because they're experts in the product and the components. And so reviewing the data with them will be helpful in order to determine conclusions and also next steps. Then we will determine our findings, conclusions, and next steps, and then provide a written report that will include the data, conclusions, and next steps. And we'll review this report with the client to make sure they understand everything in the report and the next steps that they have to take. And that's what a typical project looks like for us.